Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys Grow a Garden's latest weather. It is called the seed rain, and basically it will rain seeds, and if you go around, you can collect them like this by pressing E. There's going to be a bunch of seeds on the ground. This is on the admin abuse, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's how you can claim the seeds here. I think there's only the tomato, carrot, bamboo, sorry, not rare ones. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I do need watermelon. So yeah, that's the new weather in Grow a Garden. Again, it is called, ooh, I got pineapple and pumpkin. And it's called the seed rain weather. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.